July 4th, 1957. Detroit trembled. Chevy's 283 Fuelie engine was more than just a motor. It was a declaration of war. Ford and Chrysler knew it. They panicked. This isn't history. It's a cover-up. What made the 283 so deadly? It rewrote the rules, shattered expectations, and sparked a conspiracy that silenced innovation for decades. The 1950s, a horsepower arms race, every automaker desperate to claim the throne. Bigger engines, more chrome, less efficiency. Then came the 283, a silent killer. Ed Cole, Chevys. Engineering maverick. His mission, affordable power. A lightweight V8 for every American, not just the rich. His weapon, the 283. John Dolza, the Luftwaffe whisperer. A W2 veteran who brought fighter jet technology to the streets. Rochester. Ramjet fuel injection, aerospace precision, midnight tests. Carburetors choked. The ramjet screamed. Cole's team, Harry Barr, pioneers of fuel injection, the 265 small block, born in Flint, Michigan, 1955. Simple, brutal, tunable, a revelation. But Cole wasn't satisfied. 1957, the 283 bored out. More power. The ramjet, Dolza's masterpiece. Fuel injection for the masses. 1 horsepower per cubic inch. The gauntlet, throne. Ford's Y-block, Chrysler's Hemi. They flexed. The market demanded more speed, more innovation. Chevy, always innovating. The 265 was just the beginning, a prelude to industry domination. Competitors scrambled. The Thunderbird stole glances. Chrysler's 300 roared. Chevy needed an edge. GM demanded results. Internal pressure mounted. Pontiac, Oldsmobile, chasing the same dream. Performance supremacy. The solution, not bigger, smarter. The 283, the evolution, the revolution, the ramjet, a milestone. Shockwaves echoed through Detroit. 283 horsepower, 283 cubic inches. Ford's 272, 190 horsepower. Chrysler's 301 Hemi, 255 horsepower. Failures, even Cadillac's 365. More displacement, more weight, less efficient. The 283, a marketing triumph. Bragging rights for Chevrolet. Not just power, precision, efficiency, fuel injection, direct injection, optimizing combustion, reducing waste, explosive power, everyday reliability. The 283, versatile, family sedan, sporty Corvette, race car legend. The competition, obsolete. 1957, the average V8, 150-200 horsepower, Pontiacs. 347, 227 horsepower, Ford's 292, 205 horsepower, heavy, inefficient. The 283, 4.6 liters, high power, compact. A power-to-weight ratio that changed everything. Street, track, domination, NASCAR, victories. The 1957 Daytona 500. Marvin Panch, blistering speed, unwavering reliability. Compact, adaptable. Chevy chassis, an edge. Stock, car racing, drag strips, aftermarket dreams. The 283 genius, simplicity, minimized costs, maximized performance, compatibility. Mechanics loved it. Manufacturers embraced it. Cast iron masterpiece, durability, maintenance, overhead valve configuration, airflow, combustion, efficiency, adaptable, performance parts, heads, cams, longevity, decades of Chevy power, racing legends, driver icons, Marvin Panch, Daytona Beach, 1957, Smokey Yunick's Black Widow Chevy, fuel-injected Fury, Corvette road racing, John Fitch, decorated war hero, Sebring, first in class, Dick Thompson, the flying dentist, SCCA terror, the Corvette, from boulevard cruiser to world beater, drag racing, Dino Don Nicholson, Hayden Prophet, 57 Chevy, a Gasser Wars legend, Prophet, the small block whisperer, extraction, power, throttle response, reliability, power band, the mechanical whine, innovation, victory, Gasser racers, aftermarket mayhem, cams, headers, dual exhausts, power, unleashed, The Rochester Ramjet, superior throttle, precise fuel, quick launches, consistent runs. NHRA Nationals, 283-powered Chevys, A gas, B gas, unbeatable. Dyno Don Nicholson, a drag racing deity, 283-equipped Chevys, grassroots glory, super. Stock, factory stock, showroom performance, reliability. 283 horsepower, 283 cubic inches, perfect, bare, Corvette, high-performance options, fuel injection, heavy-duty suspensions, 4-speed manuals, efficiency, revving, consistent performance, quarter-mile times, low 14s, remarkable, Chevrolet, performance leader, amateur racers, factory-backed teams, not just winning, democratizing performance, affordable, available, the ultimate everyman's engine, blood on the track, Goldsmith, Ford, humiliated, Chrysler team chief, kicking tires. Quote, that fucking Chevy didn't just beat us. It made us look like goddamn farmers. GM played politics. Hayden Profit went to war. Fuel-injected 57 Chevy gasser, 90 seconds. Faster than factory Corvettes. Short-track domination. NASCAR's formative years. The 283, a cornerstone. Lightweight, 600 pounds. Chrysler's 354 Hemi, over 700 pounds. Ford's 312Y block, around 650 pounds. Handling, acceleration, half-mile dirt. Asphalt ovals, the Grand National Series. Compact dimensions, chassis integration, weight distribution, reduced modifications. 1957, the Daytona Beach Road Course Race. Marvin Panch, dominant win, speed, agility, fuel injection, precise power, control, unpredictable surfaces, independent racers, affordability, tunability, short track events, South, Midwest, Martinsville, Hickory, Darlington, proving grounds, revving, torque, wheel-to-wheel racing, reliability, grueling conditions. No rebuilds, budget-conscious teams, dirty tricks. Ford threatened GM, Corvair death trap, released early. Chrysler bribed UAW leaders, unsafe speeds, FBI raided Unix shop, treason, fuel injection, weapons tech. Unic, bastards took my injection units at gunpoint, told me build carbs or build coffins. The Corvette, transformed, stylish novelty, world-class machine, Jaguar XK120, Porsche 356, struggled, the 265 helped. The 283, iconic, road racing, drag racing, street racing, domination, Sports Car Club of America, Sebring, Riverside, Corvettes, versus European heavyweights. Domestic rivals, power, lightweight chassis, nimble handling, John Fitch, Dick Thompson, victories, B production, C production, respect, fuel injection, road racing advantage, consistent power, confidence. 1957 Sebring 12 hours, first in class, endurance, performance, drag strip, NHRA, showcase, lightweight body, high output engine, quarter mile, under 14 seconds, remarkable, 300 plus horsepower, NHRA Winter Nationals, heavier competitors, solidified reputation, drag strip king, underground street racing, cultural phenomenon, deserted roads, industrial lots, sleek design, explosive acceleration, feared opponent, Pontiacs, Oldsmobiles, outrun, fuel injection, edge, impromptu races, victory, defeat, not just winning, embarrassing, the competition. Ford's Thunderbird, personal luxury, sporty aspirations, 312Y block, up to 245 horsepower, weight, performance, culture, Corvette performance. Thunderbird luxury, comfort, Chevy's marketing, racing success, advertisements. Ford shifted focus, luxury. The performance crown, Corvette. Humiliation, the 283, iconic. Rivalry ignited. Ford engineers scrambled. Chrysler's Hemi team sweated. AMA, panic. Horsepower war. Public, expensive, dangerous. Ford, Chrysler, immense pressure, safety, cost, timing. June 1957. Chevy's dominance, unarguable. AMA, ban on factory racing. Voluntary agreement. GM reluctantly agreed. Unique. Support dried up. The 283 threat, not neutralized, still king. Rivals struck again. NASCAR, pressure. Ford, Chrysler. 1958, banned fuel injection. Complexity, cost. The only way to stop Chevy, silencing the comet. Fading legacy. Chevy retreated. Fuel injection gutted. Unique. Profit. Ramjet systems ripped out. Carb setup scrambled, hobbled. Chevy fought back. 327, 62, 350, 67 legends. But they buried the 283 Fuelie, muscle car era, cubic inches, 389s, 426 Hemis, 427s, 454s, compact, efficient, fuel injection outlawed, relic, base models, trucks, ghost, world-beating past. But the DNA lived on. The small block concept, 327, 350, modern LS, most successful V8 in history. Cole's revolution never died, it evolved. The 327 success, 1963 Corvette Stingray, the 350, 1967 Camaro, Chevrolet's lineup, the final nail, 5, 7 liters, 3i70 horsepower, early versions, power, reliability, affordability, backbone, Camaro Z28, Chevelle SS. Larger displacement, broader power band, the muscle car era. The 283. Challengers. Corporate backlash. Obscurity. Ford. Chrysler. Panic. Countermeasures. The engine's trajectory. AMA resolution. Withdraw from racing. Safety. Cost. Strategic move. Curb Chevrolet's racing dominance. The 283's success. GM scaled back, racing programs limited, exposure reduced, fading prominence, the ghost engine. Chevy secretly built a 283 Camaro prototype. Cole's last stand. GM brass torched it. 140 men PH spin, terrified executives. The legacy, the groundwork, Chevrolet's small block V8 dynasty, decades of dominance. Compact architecture, lightweight construction, versatile design, future engines. The 283 inspired Chevrolet to prioritize power-to-weight ratios and modularity. Fast forward, 1997, the 283 DNA, roaring. Chevrolet's LS engine family, LS1, 5th-gen Corvette, performance, efficiency, aftermarket support, principles established by the 283. Advanced technologies, aluminum blocks, electronic fuel injection, compact size, high power, versatility, traced back to the 283, LS1, 5, 7 liters, 350 horsepower, emphasis, high performance, small package, push rod, overhead valve design, simplicity, efficiency, the 283 compact block design, architecture, Corvettes, pickup trucks, specialized applications, government, police vehicles, reliability, performance, high performance, variant, law enforcement, government fleets, 1957, 1967, Chevy Bel Air, Chevy 2, upgrades, high-speed pursuits, extended operation. Evolution is the revolution. The untold truth. The 283 Fuelie wasn't just banned from NASCAR. Corporate conspiracy. Rivals couldn't beat it on the track. They killed it in the boardroom. Conspiracy? The evidence screams. Yes. The ultimate crime? Killing the future? What if? Unix fuel-injected 63 Corvette? Le Mans domination? The FBI raided Profit's shop? 200 Mempi by 1960? Cole's Camaro prototype survived? Efficient muscle cars? History belongs to winners. The 283? The rebels. Detroit shot first. Efficiency, innovation, trumped brute force. 1957, brute force won in the corridors of power, the greatest engine, not defeated by pistons and valves, panic, politics, a ban button. What future did they steal?